Welcome to Amplifier Educational Center. I am Mr. Abraham, an English teacher. Today we are going to discuss about grammar and spoken, part 1. Common and proper noun. There's contents related with common and proper noun, introduction, and types of nouns. Common nouns, proper nouns. There are 8 parts of speech in English. First one is noun. Noun is a word that names a person, place, things, or ideas. Second one is pronoun. A word that replaces a noun. To avoid the repetition of noun, we use proper nouns. Third one is verb. A verb that describes an action or state of being is a verb. Adjective. Adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. In another English, adjective give additional meaning to a noun. Adverb. An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or other adverb, except noun or a pronoun. Preposition. A preposition is a word or phrase that shows the relationship between words in a sentence. The seventh one is conjunction, a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses are conjunctions. The last one is interjection, a word that expresses emotion, feeling. The main types of noun are common nouns, proper nouns, plural nouns, singular noun, collective nouns, masculine and feminine nouns, possessive form of nouns, and abstract nouns. Types of noun. Common noun. Common nouns that refer to a general category of things rather than a specific individual thing. For example, those common nouns are words for things, ruler, chair, vehicle, telephone, computer, pen, calculator, television, bus. Those common nouns are words for animals. Names for young animals are also included. For example, animal and their youngs, dog and its young is puppy is a common noun. Cat and its young kitten are common nouns. Cow and its young calf is a common noun. Horse and its young foal is common noun. Sheep and its young lamb is common noun. Goat and its young kid are common noun. Frog and its young is tadpole is common noun. Fox and its young is cube is common noun. Bear and its young is also cube is common noun. Lion and its young is cube is common. Those common nouns are words for example, school, post office, university, police station, office, restaurant, mosque, stadium, church are noun, common nouns for places. Those common nouns are words for people who do certain things. For example, senior, manager, secretary, police, officer, artist, teacher, farmer, driver, athletes, technician. Proper nouns. The name of a particular people, place, and things are grouped under proper noun. They always begin with a capital letter. Those people's names are proper nouns. For example, Nelson Mandela, Abiy Ahmed, Abebesh Governor, Mother Teresa, Muhammad Ali. The name of days of the week and the year are proper nouns. For example, days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are proper nouns. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December are proper nouns. The name of special days and celebrations are also proper nouns. For example, New Year's Day, Mother's Day, Independence Day, Memorial Day, Labor Day, Christmas, Eid al-Fitr. The names of famous places, buildings, for example, Eiffel Tower, the Great Wall of China, Great Renaissance Dome of Ethiopia, Aksum Obelisk, the Lalibela Holy Church. Names of countries are also proper nouns. For example, Australia, Britain, China, Germany, India, Italy, France, Kenya, Djibouti, Korea, Ethiopia. Exercise. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper noun in the sentence. You have to circle the common noun with red color and the proper noun with blue color. For example, I told Uncle John about my incident. From this sentence, which one is common noun and which one is proper noun? A common noun, a word with shade a red color, which is called uncle, and a proper noun is which is shaded with a blue color, Joe. So in this sentence, uncle is a common noun and Joe is a proper noun. The second question is, we are going to the movies tomorrow. From this sentence, the one which is shaded with red color, movies is common noun and the one with shade with a blue color, tomorrow is proper noun. The third question, the lion is playing with one of its cubs. Don't forget that cubs is the young of lion. So both lion and its young cube is grouped under common nouns. My sister's favorite soccer player is David Beckham. From this sentence, the one which is shaded by red color, which we call player, is common noun, and the other which is shaded with a blue color is a proper noun. David Beckham is a proper noun. I am watching a video tab about the Sahara deserts. A video tab is common noun, which is shaded by a red color, and the Sahara desert is a proper noun, shaded by a blue color. The tourist visited Aksum and saw the Aksum obelisks. So from this sentence, we have two proper nouns and one common noun. From this sentence, tourists is common noun, Aksum and Aksum obelisk is proper noun. Does this bus goes to the stadium? So from this question, we have only common noun, bus and stadium. The students, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Until the next lesson, goodbye.